Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate and explain how you can fix error code 0101 if you're trying to watch ITV. Now, quite a few people have seen this error, in fact many thousands, but there's a few reasons why it happens, but there are two main ones and I'm going to demonstrate that now. Okay, let's just show you the main reasons. When you go to ITVX and you try and stream something, let me just show you now, and you get this error message, that's error code 0101. You'll see it quite quickly now, I should think, when I actually try and stream something here. It'll say not available, sorry this show isn't available right now, and you can see that error code 0101. A few little reasons for it, but the main two, which I'm going to focus on these videos, are to do with your IP address. The first one is that IP address is not in the UK. ITVX is a commercial channel, and it's free to view. It has adverts to support it. You can upgrade to premium for some, I think it's about £5 a month if you want, and you don't get any adverts with that. But it's free, really. The adverts aren't too bad. The second reason is it's detected you using a VPN. So if you're using a VPN or a proxy server, which people use to hide their IP address, you'll also get error code 01012. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can fix this. Now, the reason I'm getting that is because I'm not in the UK, so it's detected my IP address isn't in the UK, and it's blocked me. Let me just show you now how we can fix it. Okay, so I mentioned the IP addresses is our problem, so let's just show you how you can change that. And we'll cover the other problem as well. This is a VPN service. This is an old version of NordVPN. I'm running it on Windows 7, so it looks a bit older than the current software, but it's all one subscription. It's all matches, and you can see this is NordVPN. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, and basically creates an encrypted tunnel between your device, whether it's a phone, a TV, a laptop, computer, whatever, to a VPN server, which then encrypts all your connections. It acts as an intermediary to using the internet, so it basically encrypts everything and sends it back and forth to you. The other good thing about it is it also hides your location. Any website or any application or anything you do online goes via the VPN server. So the VPN server will hide your location. Any website, including ITVX, will only see the IP address of the VPN server. So if we connect to a UK server, and you can see NordVPN, which incidentally we've got a discount link for below, but there are other VPN services. NordVPN's got servers all over the place. This is just the basic subscription, so you can pretend to be from wherever you like, but in this case we want to be from the UK to watch ITVX and get rid of that error code. But now I can normally just click on your UK, but there's a problem here. ITVX can detect VPN IP addresses, and if I get randomly allocated one of those, it just won't work. What NordVPN have done is put some specific servers, which they kind of load balance and they rotate the IP addresses so they don't get blacklisted by these companies. Primarily for the BBC, but they work very well for ITV as well. And here are the numbers. They don't advertise this widely, but you can get it from support. And if you pick one of these servers, it's much, much more likely to work, and you won't get the error message either. Right, and I'll pick one there. Let's pick 1911. And I'm going to go and search here, 1911. And there you can see there's the 1911 UK server, which will give me a British IP address, but one that hopefully will work with ITVX. Some of the others will work, some won't. You can always change IP address or reconnect, but it's best to use one of the safer ones. Okay, now, so I'm going to go into ITVX again. I'm going to go in using Firefox here, so I don't have to clear the cookies, because I went in with my previous IP address and it'll remember the connection was failed until I reboot or I clear the cookies. So just not to do that, we'll go through Firefox, and let's go and watch. I think we were trying to watch Snowpiercer, which is quite a good film. And click watch film. And remember, this failed with the error code 0101 before. Now we go watch now, and hopefully it should stream perfectly well. This is because it's going to show an advert first. But it's seen the IP address of that NordVPN UK server, and it says, they're in the UK, they're fine. I also don't get that error code because it hasn't blacklisted the IP address, and that's because I used one of the special NordVPN servers. If you're using another VPN service, some work, some don't. You need to check before you subscribe, really, because quite a lot don't nowadays. But if you decide on NordVPN, which is a good option, pick one of those servers. I'll just put those back up there. Pick one of these servers, anyone will do, and you'll have a much better. It nearly always, 98% of the time these work. And if they don't, for very one small chance they don't, pick one of the other numbers, and I'm sure they'll work. Okay, so that's how to fix error code 0101 on ITVX. Hope that helps somebody. Bye for now.